Welcome students, class 12th, and today we will discuss about the P block elements, and today's topic is oxo acids of nitrogen, nitric acid, its preparation and properties. Oxo acids of nitrogen forms three types of oxo acids: hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid and nitric acid. Their formulas are given and their oxidation states are +1, +3 and +5 respectively. Amongst them, nitric acid is most important. And these structures are showing that hyponitrous acid is having bent structure. HNO2 also has bent structure. But in nitric acid, nitrogen is having the planar arrangement around which different groups are arranged. Now, preparation of nitric acid. In the laboratory, nitric acid can be prepared by reaction of potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid. And the apparatus used is glass retort as given in the picture. On large scale, that is manufactured by Ostwald process, in which the mixture of ammonia and oxygen is heated in presence of catalyst platinum and rhodium Gauge catalyst at temperature 500 Kelvin and 9 bar pressure. So nitric oxide is formed. This nitric oxide is oxidized again to give nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide dissolves in water and forms the nitric acid. Conditions for maximum preparation of nitric acid or manufacture of nitric acid. It is also maybe explain the principle involved in the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald process. So manufacture of nitric acid depends upon this reaction. Ammonia plus oxygen gives nitric acid, nitric oxides and H2O. So for this reaction, as this reaction is exothermic, so temperature must be low as per Le-Chatelier's principle. Pressure involved will be high because pressure will be low because the number of molecules are increasing in this condition. So for manufacture process, pressure must be not very high. High concentration of the reactants. Properties of nitric acid. It is colorless liquid. In gas state, it exists as planar molecule. In vapor state, it is acidic in nature, can release hydronium ions. Nitric acid is oxidizing in nature. It is a strong oxidizing agent and oxidizes most of the metals except noble metals like gold and platinum. The product of oxidation depends upon concentration of nitric acid, temperature and nature of the material undergoing oxidation. And it can be explained due to the form of nascent oxygen which oxidizes metals, non-metals and the compounds. Now, first of all, the oxidation of metals. So, different metals react with nitric acid differently, and different nitric acid at different concentration also react differently. So, highly reactive metals like magnesium, manganese, these react with very dilute nitric acid and give hydrogen gas. Metals like sodium, potassium, these are of moderate reactivity. These release nascent hydrogen first on reaction with nitric acid, which reduces nitric acid to give different products NO2, NO2, NO, N2O, ammonium nitrate depending upon concentration of nitric acid. So lead and copper in concentrated conditions, these are producing NO2 gas as main byproduct, while with dilute nitric acid, these produce nitric oxide NO. All other metals also react in the same way, and we can write the equation by replacing Pb or copper with these elements nickel, iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. जिंक गिव्स वेराइटी ऑफ बाई प्रोडक्ट्स. जिंक ज़्यादा वेराइटी के प्रोडक्ट देता है एंड दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द different concentrations of nitric acid. With dilute nitric acid, it forms byproduct N2O along with zinc nitrate and H2O, water. With concentrated nitric acid, it gives byproduct NO2, and with very dilute nitric acid, it gives ammonium nitrate. Tin, on the other hand, with concentrated nitric acid react differently and it gives different product, that is H2SNO3, stannous acid and nitrogen dioxide. Chromium, aluminium, these not dissolve in concentrated nitric acid. It is maybe the question. Chromium, aluminium become passive in concentrated nitric acid because of formation of protective layer of oxide on their surface. So these are the oxidation of metals. Now oxidation of the non-metals. Concentrated nitric acid also oxidizes non-metals. It oxidizes iodine to iodic acid, carbon to carbon dioxide, to sulfuric acid, phosphorus to phosphoric acid. Brown ring test. In the laboratory, the nitrate ion can be analyzed by brown ring test, and for that we take freshly prepared a salt solution having nitrate ion. To it we add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, and then we add concentrated sulfuric acid from the side of the test tube. A brown ring is formed at the interface of the solutions, and this brown ring is formed due to formation of a complex penta-aquo-nitroso iron sulfate at the junction. So this brown color is due to presence of this complex. It is known as brown ring test. Reactions with noble metals. Nitric acid has no reaction with gold and platinum even at high concentration, but its mixture with concentrated HCl in the ratio 1:3, which is known as aqua regia, it can dissolve the gold and platinum also. So reaction is HCl with HNO3 gives NOCl, water and nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine is highly reactive and dissolves gold and platinum, giving AuCl3 and PtCl4 respectively. Now the uses of nitric acid. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacture of fertilizers, in the manufacture of explosives, pyrotechnics. It is also used in pickling of stainless steel, etching of metal, and as oxidizer in rocket fuel. It is most important compound for the organic chemistry as oxidizing agent and nitrating agent. Pickling is the removal of thin layer of metal from the surface of stainless steel. स्टेनलेस स्टील की सरफेस पर जो आयरन मेटल के पार्टिकल्स जमे रह जाते हैं जो उसको रफनेस देते हैं, सो दैट रफनेस कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय यूजिंग नाइट्रिक एसिड. Etching is the traditionally process of using strong acids to cut into the unprotected part of the metal to create a design in the metal. मेटल के अंदर कुछ डिजाइन डालने के लिए एचिंग प्रोसेस होती है जिससे कि मेटल के अंदर अलग अलग डिजाइन दिखाई देते हैं. सो नाइट्रिक एसिड इज यूज फॉर दिस पर्पज ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज in detail about nitric acid for today. Thank you.